Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing well. I welcome you all into our virtual classes. Class 4. Today we will know about what is an essay, how many types of essays are there, and which type of essay we are going to write. So let's start. First of all, what is an essay? An essay is a short piece of writing on a specific topic. Now, types of essays. There are four major types of essays: narrative essay, descriptive essay, expository essay, and persuasive essay. First one is narrative essay. In this essay, the writer tells a story about a real life experience. The narrative essay challenges students to think and write about themselves. When writing a narrative essay, writers should try to involve the reader by making the story as clear as possible. The fact that narrative essays are usually written in the first person that help to engage the reader. First person, I, sentences give readers a feeling of being part of the story. Second type is descriptive essay. A descriptive essay paints a picture with words. A writer might describe a person, place, object, or even memory of special significance. However, this type of essay is not description for description's sake. The descriptive essay strives to communicate a deeper meaning through the description. The best descriptive essays appeal to the reader's emotion with a result that is highly evocative. Third one is expository essay. It is an informative piece of writing that presents a balanced analysis of a topic. In this essay, the writer explains a topic using facts, statistics, and examples. These essays are based on facts, so writers don't reveal their emotions or write in the first person. Fourth is persuasive essay. The goal of this essay is to convince the reader to accept the writer's point of view. The writer must build a case using facts and logic as well as examples, expert opinion, and sound reasoning. I hope you get all the types of essays. Good. Okay, dear students, now start to write an essay, a laptop. Dear students, do you know which type of essay is a laptop? A laptop is a descriptive essay. Okay class, now let's start writing an essay, a laptop. There are a lot of electronic gadgets in the world, like Android phones, iPads, tapes, and many more. But one of my favorite is laptop. I like it because I can take it everywhere. It is more energy saver as compared to desktop computer. I enjoy playing games and watching my favorite movies on it. It is also helpful in my home assignments. Got it, class? Now it's time for your home task. Your home task is memorize then write this essay, a laptop on English A notebook. Dear students, if you want to add more information about a laptop computer, you can add by yourselves. Thank you.